And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, it has certainly been a mild January in our area. When we look at the mean temperature, we're running about 8.5 degrees above normal. It's also the wettest January since 2008. For the viewing area as a whole, we're running 2 to 4 times above normal in terms of precipitation for the month. It's the least snowy since 1998, only a tenth of an inch measured here at the TV station and the official site for West Lafayette, the Purdue Ag Farm. But here's the thing. 8 days have had at least a trace of snowfall. So we've had very tiny dustings around on many days, but it's just not added up to very much. And also the warmest January overall since 2006. However, we are not in the top 20 warmest. There are more than 20 other Januaries that have been warmer than this one, dating back to 1879. Clouds are on the increase now. You can see the wet snow west of our area, and this is gradually going to move eastward. We're going to start to pick up a little wet snow in our western counties tomorrow morning, and still some areas of snow 9 o'clock in the morning, and then gradually changing to some areas of rainfall. Now, at 1 o'clock, there may still be a little bit of wet snow up in our far northwest counties. Much of the area is just rain, and a cold rain at that, with temperatures in the 30s and a pretty brisk southeast wind, about 10 to 15 miles an hour. Now, on Friday, it's a cold rain in the morning, but that cold rain gradually changing to some wet snow, and it may be all wet snow by 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening as temperatures begin to fall a little bit with a wind out of the east at that point. So I think after 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, a little snow comes into our western fringe by 9:30, 10 o'clock. Some wet snow over the area, but quickly this is going to begin to change to rain around noon. So a pretty short duration of any snow for a good chunk of the area. Where it may hang on is right here in our northwestern counties, but even they will go to all rain by tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. You see widespread rain Friday morning and into Friday itself. But I do think Friday evening, this model doesn't indicate it, but I think we're going to start to see this change back to snow, and that snow line will keep working eastward. So tomorrow morning up to midday, I think there could be a light dusting, a brief 1/10 or 2/10 of an inch of snow in this part of our area. The best chance of getting an inch of snow would be Earl Park up to about Goodland to Rensselaer and about Francisville and northwestward. And then Friday night into Saturday, near an inch to perhaps as much as 2, mainly on grassy and elevated surfaces. I think the best chance of getting a little more than 2 inches of wet gloppy snow would be right in this pocket in our far northwestern counties. And you can see where that heavier snow sets up. Chicago back towards Columbia, Missouri. We get a little bit, but certainly the heavier snow will be northwest of our area. And this is going to produce a lot of moisture. If this were all snow, some places would have more than a foot. Notice some areas getting more than 1 inch of liquid from this system. So the rivers may begin to come up once again. Snow gradually fades to just a few snow showers Saturday, a couple snow to rain showers by Monday, and then rain comes in middle to latter parts of next week. 7-day forecast, 35 on Saturday, 36 Sunday, couple flakes still around, couple spotty rain snow showers Monday, and then the rain comes back in late Tuesday and into Wednesday. But a lot of clouds. Pretty much every single day is mostly cloudy to cloudy for at least the next 8, Jeff. So kind of rough.
All right, Jen.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. On the trial of